Finally, Redmi K17 series launched in China, Redmi K17 Pro, Redmi K17 and Redmi K17e. So do you know that Redmi K17e will be rebranding international as a Poco X3 Pro? Has been revealed through an NBTC certified in Thailand. So that is confirmed that Redmi K17e will be rebranding international as a Poco X3 Pro. Redmi K17e comes with 6.67-inch OLED display with 1.5K resolution with 120Hz refresh rate and the peak brightness is 1800 nits. And Redmi K17e is the first smartphone come with Dimensity 8300 Ultra chipset with LPDDR5X RAM up to 16 GB of RAM with UFS 4.0 storage. Out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with HyperOS 1.0. In the camera department, the phone comes with triple camera setup. The phone comes with 64 megapixel main sensor with OIS and 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro shooter, and the phone is come with single 16 megapixel selfie camera. The device also comes with J1 battery management chipset. The phone powered by 5500 mAh battery with 90-watt fast charging. The phone also comes with in-display fingerprint scanner, stereo speaker, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4 and NFC. And Redmi K17e starting price is 2000 RMB. So that's all about Redmi K17e short review. And if you found this video informative, make sure the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I'll be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.